Hey guys, welcome back. So I've decided that I'm going to start off my makeup videos with a skincare prep. I am huge. I think I've said it in almost every video on skincare. So I thought, what's the best way to get my friends, my family, and some newcomers into the most important step in your makeup routine, which is skincare. Let's get into it. And I hope you guys, really find the importance of this and really get to take something away from it. So I'll be back in a second. So to start off my skincare routine, I went in with the Ole Henricksen Face the Truth Gel Cleanser. I love this stuff, and I love that it has vitamin C in it. Next, off camera, I did the Ole Henricksen Pore Balance Facial Scrub. And now I'm going to go in with the Hygee Hydraclay Detoxing Mask for hydration and the Cold Plunge Pore Mask for balancing and pore cleansing. Okay, so there's about 1,000 ways that you can apply your face mask, but there are two that I find to be the most effective and the easiest to clean up, which is either this nice little spatula here, or the Silica sponges. They're easy to clean and they just glide everything on without soaking in your product, which when you are heading into the high-end products, less is more, and the last thing you want to do is waste it. So first, I'm going to go in with the Cold Plunge Mask, and I'm going to go in on my nose and on my chin. That is where, and in this area actually, this is where my pores are huge. This is also where I get the most blackheads, and also around my chin. So I'm just going to slather that right all over the center of my face. And honestly, in my opinion, unless the mask is one of those peel-off masks, you don't really have to be careful, which is really awesome. Although, disclaimer, definitely make sure you take caution around your eye area. No matter what you're putting on, make sure that you're not putting things too close to your eyes. Make sure if you are going to put a mask there, it is an eye mask. Those are specifically made for your eye area to help minimize irritation. So remember, I said these were easy to clean off. So all I have to do is just swipe and it's ready for my next mask. So now I'm going to go in with the Hygee mask. Sorry for my nails, guys. I broke one, so I had to fix it, and I haven't had time to paint it again. That's not very pleasant. All right. And then I'm just going to do this around that. And if you guys notice on my channel, I use a lot, and I mean a lot, of Ole Henricksen products. I do have sensitive skin, so I do tend to stick to brands like Ole Henricksen, which is a little bit more on the natural side, First Aid Beauty. I'm trying to think who else I use. The Belief brand. A lot of K-beauty brands are actually pretty good for your skin. Even the Drunk Elephant, they're free of a lot of the things that cause irritation. But they're still very effective, which is awesome. And while I wait, this is really nice, I can just go in with the lip scrub. I'm going to go in with the root beer. Next, I'm going to go in with the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. Like I said, right now we are just prepping our skin. We are getting it ready to have the best foundation day ever. So I want to make sure my skin is feeling its best. I want to make sure my lips are hydrated. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that. Okay. So while we wait for this mask to dry, which is one of the best things about having to wait those 20 minutes, is I'm going to actually go in and clean my makeup brushes so that we can have fun with this really, really bright look that was inspired by Mitchell. So I'll see you guys soon. Oh, we're not done yet. So there is one more thing that you can do to give your skin the ultimate skin prep. This is my #1 pro tip to anyone. Anyone. This is something every and anyone can do. This is something a baby can do. Water. Drink water. Just drink, 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 drink. This is so important for your skin, for your body, but definitely for your skin health. You'll notice the difference when you're staying hydrated. That is the utmost important thing when it comes to your skincare. Now I'm going to go wash my face. See you guys in a few. All right, and we're back. So very quickly, I'm going to go in with a serum. Remember what I said in my skincare routine, you want to go in upward motions. And this stuff, it's the Ole Henricksen Truth Serum, absorbs into your skin very, very quickly. And now I'm going to go in with the C Rush Brightening Cream from Ole Henricksen. Very hydrating, also vitamin C. All right, guys, and now we are ready to get into a very fun skincare routine. I'll see you soon. First things first, I'm going to go in with the Plouise. Put that all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with a flat or a round brush, a round brush, and just press that in. Okay, so we're nice and smooth, and now I'm going to go in with my shadow shield. Just place that right under my eye. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a dark blue and keep it really, really tight. The trick to this is making sure that you put the product on the tip, because I want to create a nice round sharp line, or as sharp as you can with the blending brush. And I'm pressing that in because I want to keep that pigment. Okay, so right now it doesn't look like much. I know it probably looks crazy and you're like, what? Why? But don't worry, trust the process. So next I'm going to go in with the green, and I'm just going to go right on the edge of that blue. All right, we're getting crazier, or looking crazier. And now I'm going to go in with a yellow. I'm going to go in with a pencil brush. And again, right on the edge of that green, I'm just going to go in and line it. Crazy. And then I'm going to go in with a blending brush and soften those lines. What I like about it is that you can still see the separation of the colors, but it's not such harsh lines. And so next I'm going to go back in with my Plouise base. And what I'm going to do is lightly cut the crease in the center. This does not have to be perfect. Okay, like I said, nothing fancy. This doesn't have to be like our usual cut crease where we, you know, have to make sure the lines are really sharp. This is absolutely fine. And I'm going to go in with a bright green and press that right to the center of the eye. And I will be putting down in the description box everything I use. Today is not a product video, it's just more a fun eyeshadow tutorial. And as I said, this doesn't have to be perfect because it will come all together at the end. And now I'm going to go back in with that blue. And just redefine that line. And then I'm going to go in with a darker blue in the corner of my eye, just to give it a little bit more depth. All right. So this is my favorite part of the video. This is why I was inspired to do the video in the first place. There's this brand on Instagram called Proper Fix Cosmetics, and they come out with glitters. It is Black owned. It is also a brand from New Orleans, but besides that, the colors of these glitters were gorgeous. So of course I had to get the brightest ones they had, which was Lemonhead and Suck and Sour. And I'm going to put these on my eyes. I'm so excited to use these. When I used it on this eye, I actually had very minimal fallout, which is like unbelievable. Although I'm using a shadow shield, still, you don't want to, you know, waste your product. So I'm really excited to use this. So now I'm going to go in with a glitter glue, and then I'm going to press these bad boys on. Yay. Isn't that beautiful? I can literally bathe in this glitter. And what I like about it, it's not chunky. It's not chunky at all, but God, it sparkles so beautiful. So I'm very excited about this. This is my first time using this. This is definitely not a something I've used in the past. I literally just got it in the mail yesterday and I was like, oh, I'm playing. So I'm going to put my lashes on and put on the rest of my face off camera, and then I will give you my final thoughts on this glitter brand. That is why I did this video today, and I am so excited to kind of give you guys a little bit of a rundown about it, and it's just how fun. All right, so this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, these glitters. The name of the brand is Profilter Cosmetics. I believe this is the owner. And I did order, I have 5 of them. So I have the Lemonhead, which is this beautiful yellow. I have that in the corner of my eye. I also have the Suck and Sour, which this is what caught my attention with the brand in the first place, because I mean, I've never seen a neon green glitter, and I mean, she did that. And then another one I got was Silver Slippers, which is a nice like holographic, which I can't wait to try that and see what I can do with it. Also Christmas Bonus, which is very hard to see a good, really red glitter. Usually they have too much silver in them, so you don't really get the full effect of red. So I'm excited to try that out. And then another one that came was Bucked Up, and this is more of a coppery tone. I actually really like this. I had minimal fallout, and with whatever I had, I was actually able to use the sticky end of the Shadow Shield and just pick it up, which was very easy. A little went a long way. And they're also not very chunky, which is one thing I really like about them. So it's not thick. I don't feel it on my eyes. I'm not irritated at all, which is amazing. So tell me what you guys think about this. Let me know if you want to see more looks with this brand. This is also, before I forget, a Black-owned brand from the States. So she lives, I believe, in Louisiana, which is kind of cool. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you want to see more looks like these, if you want me to tone them down. And I promise I will soon be getting out a brow video. I just want to make sure I do it right and that it is as informational as possible. I want you guys to definitely understand it, and I don't want it to be all the, you know, the extra. So see you guys soon. Bye.